Hi, I'm Mohan. In this session, I'm going to explain you about Rayleigh method of dimensional analysis. The problem is like this. Find the expression for the drag force on smooth sphere of diameter d moving with a uniform velocity v in a fluid of density rho and dynamic viscosity mu. We have to frame the equation for drag force F. F depends on so many variables. The variables are diameter d and uniform velocity v and fluid density rho and dynamic viscosity mu. Now I'm going to replace the function with some constant k and d power a, v power b, rho power c and mu power d. I'm going to assume this as equation number 1. Now write the dimension for these variables. F is nothing but force. What is the dimension for force? F is equal to m into a. F is equal to m into what is acceleration? Acceleration is velocity by time taken, or the SI unit is meter per second square. Meter per second square. Now F is equal to, this is mass m. Mass, for mass the dimension is capital M. This is meter. For meter is the unit of length, therefore for length the dimension is L. Second is the unit of time. For time the dimension is T. Therefore F dimension is m into L into t power minus 2. Now m into L into t power minus 2. K is constant as it is. D is diameter. For diameter dimension is L power a. V is velocity. Velocity is distance by time taken, or SI unit is meter per second. For meter the dimension is L. Second dimension is T. Therefore L into t power minus 1. L into t power minus 1 power b. Rho is density. Formula is mass by volume, or you can use SI unit. SI unit is kg per meter cube. Kg is the unit of mass. For mass the dimension is m. Meter is the unit of length. For length dimension is L. Therefore L cube. For density dimension is m into L power minus 3. M into L power minus 3 power c. Next is mu. Mu is nothing but dynamic viscosity. The SI unit is Newton second per meter square. Newton second per meter square. Now mu is equal to Newton. Newton is the unit of force. For force we already derived. For force the dimension is m into L into t power minus 2. Second is the unit of time. For time the dimension is t. Then meter is the unit of length. For length the dimension is L square. Now mu is equal to m into 1L get cancelled. You will get L power minus 1. T power minus 2 into T power 1 is T power minus 1. M into L power minus 1, T power minus 1 is the dimension for dynamic viscosity. M into L power minus 1, T power minus 1 the dimension power D. Now simplify. M into L into t power minus 2, K, L power a, L power b, t power minus b. Then m power c, L power minus 3c, m power d, L power minus d, t power minus d. Now group the terms. M into L into t power minus 2, K. Bases are same, power can be added. L terms 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 L terms. Therefore L power a plus b minus 3c minus d. Then t term t power minus b minus d. Then m term m power c plus d. M power c plus d. Now equate the power of m. Equate the power of m. Power of m in LHS is 1. Power of m in RHS is c plus d. Now equate the power of t. Power of t in LHS is minus 2. In RHS the power of t is minus b minus d. Now equate the power of L. Equate the power of L. Power of L in LHS is 1. In RHS a plus b minus 3c minus d. Now we can observe we have three equations. This is equation A, this is equation B, this is equation C. We have three equations, but the unknowns are 4, A, B, C, D. There are 4 unknowns, but equations are 3, hence it is not possible to find the values of A, B, C and D. Hence express the 3 variables in terms of 4th variable. Express 3 variable in terms of 4th variable. From equation A, we can get the value of C as 1 minus D. From equation A, the value of C is 1 minus D. From equation B, the value of B is 2 minus D. 2 minus D. Value of B is 2 minus D. Now from equation C, get the value of A. Equation C is 1 is equal to A plus B can be written as 2 minus D minus 3 into C can be written as 1 minus D minus D as it is. Now 1 is equal to A plus 2 minus D minus 3 minus into minus plus 3D minus D. Now simplify. 1 is equal to A, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus T is minus 2D, 3D minus 2D is plus D. Now A is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 minus D. Now we got the value of A, B, C and D, where A value is 2 minus D, B value is 2 minus D and C value is 1 minus D. Now we got all the values of A, B, C in terms of D. Now substitute these values in equation number 1. Substitute A, B, C, D value in equation number 1. Take equation number 1. Equation 1 is K into D power A, V power B, rho power C, mu power D. F is equal to K is constant as it is. D, what is A value? A value is 2 minus D. 2 minus D. V, B value is 2 minus D. 2 minus D. Rho power C value is 1 minus D. 1 minus D mu power D as it is. Now simplify. F is equal to K into D power 2 minus D can be written as T square into D power minus D. V power 2 minus D can be written as V square into V power minus D. Rho power 1 minus D can be written as rho power 1 into rho power minus D and mu D. Now separate the terms. F is equal to K into D square V square rho. Then this is D power minus D, V power minus D, D power minus T, V power minus D. This is rho power minus D and mu power D. Now F is equal to K into D square V square rho. This can be written as mu power D divided by rho power D, V power D and D power D. Next F is equal to K into D square V square rho. Power is same, therefore mu divided by rho Vd power D. Now F is equal to K into D square V square rho, and this can be replaced with function and mu by rho Vd. Okay, this is the expression for drag force. Thank you.